Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to change your birthday on TikTok account. While creating your TikTok account, you have just entered the wrong date of birth and now you are struggling how to change age on your TikTok account. Then make sure to watch this video till the end. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You're gonna land to the For You page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of profile. After you land to your profile, at the top right, you can see 3 bars. Tap on it. Select the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you will find different options, but you won't be able to find the option to change age, as right now within TikTok app, there is no such feature. So you can apply this solution to change your age on TikTok. Scroll down and tap on the option of report a problem. Under topic section, you can find the option of account and profile. Open it. Select the option of profile page. Open it. Scroll down, you can see the option of other. Open it. At the bottom, you're gonna find the option of need more help. Tap on it. Now here you have to explain about your problem. You can explain in the same way as I have done it. I have wrote, "Hello TikTok support, I want to change my birthday as it's incorrect, but there is no such option in TikTok settings. So please correct my birthday. Type in your correct date of birth and then continue with, I can provide my ID card to prove it. Please help me resolve my issue about TikTok birthday." And then you can tap on this option of submit. After you submit your report, you will be receiving feedback from TikTok after a few hours or days, so you have to wait. In that feedback, TikTok is gonna help you out to change your age on your TikTok account, so keep updated. This is how you can change your birthday on TikTok account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment on below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.